So hello students, so this is set 3 for current affairs. Okay, so previously I've done two videos for set A and set B that you can check in my channel. So let's go with this set. So this is the current affair relating to August 2021. So this is the set 3, so let's start. So the first question is, which two countries collaborated recently to develop rapid testing for COVID-19 in under 30 seconds? So the options are USA and UK, India and UK, India and Israel, or the last one, Germany and Italy. So the correct answer for this question will be the two countries that have collaborated recently to develop rapid testing for COVID-19 are two countries are India and Israel are the two countries who recently collaborated to develop rapid testing for COVID-19, which can be done under 30 seconds. Okay. So now the next question, which indigenous aircraft carrier of India began its maiden sea trials recently? Options are INS Mysore, INS Rajput, INS Gomti, or the D, INS Vikrant. So the correct answer for this will be INS Vikrant. Option D will be the correct answer. So option D, that is INS Vikrant, is the indigenous aircraft carrier of India which began its maiden sea trials recently. Now third question is, Jayama Samyuddhi Spradha, the motto of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier ISC Vikrant, has been taken from which of the following scriptures? So the options are Rig Ved, Mundak Upanishad, Yajurva Ved, or Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. So out of these four options, the option A is correct. So the Jayama Samyuddhi Spradha, the motto for indigenous aircraft carrier IS Vikrant, has been taken from option A, that is Rig Ved. Now the next question, who is the only fencer from India to qualify for Olympics since the fencing sport was introduced? Options are Bhavani Devi, Biki Thokchom, Anna Arora, or Riya Bakshi. So the correct answer will be option A, Bhavani Devi. So Bhavani Devi is the only fencer from India to qualify for Olympics since the fencing sport was introduced. Next is, who is the first female sailor from India to qualify for the Olympics? So who was the first female, or who is the first female sailor who qualified for the Olympics? So the options are Aarti Pawar, Astha Sehgal, Chandana KM, or Nethra Kumanan. So the correct answer is option D, which is Nethra Kumanan. Nethra Kumanan is the first female sailor from India to qualify for the Olympics. So now next question is, what was the theme of International Day of Indigenous People 2021? Option A is Indigenous Languages, B Indigenous Peoples Migration Movement, C Leaving No One Behind, Indigenous Peoples and the Call for a New Social Contract, or the last is Indigenous Media Empowering Indigenous Voices. So the correct answer will be option C, that is Leaving No One Behind. Indigenous Peoples and the Call for a New Social Contract was the theme of International Day of Indigenous People 2021. Now the next question is, recently Indian Railways has launched a one-stop solution app to help the passengers. What is the name of the app? So for this question, the options are A, Rail Sahai, B, Rail Seva, C, Rail Saral, or D, Rail Madad. So the correct answer will be option number D, which is Rail Madad. So Rail Madad is the Indian Railways is the one-stop solution app that Indian Railways has launched recently to help the passengers. Next is the question is what? So next question is, in which state or the union territory a new frog species named Addy cascade frog has been discovered? Options are A, Arunachal Pradesh, B, Assam, C, Sikkim, D, Nagaland. So the correct answer will be option number A, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal Pradesh is the state where a new frog species named Addy cascade frog has been discovered. Now the next question is, recently which ministry has launched Arogya Dhara 2.0 scheme? So the options are Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, or the last one is Ministry of Finance. So the correct answer will be option number C, that is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has been launched recently, which is also known as Arogya Dhara 2.0 scheme. So the ministry that has launched this Arogya Dhara 2.0 scheme is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next question is, which organization has launched its global Be Internet Awesome program for children's in India? Options are Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Google. So the correct answer for this question is option number D, that is Google. So Google is an organization that has launched its global Be Internet Awesome program for children in India. So the last question for this set C is Madhumalai and Annamalai Tiger Reserve, which received the Global Elite tag for the best tiger conservation practices, are located in which state? So the options are A. Telangana, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka, or D. Tamil Nadu. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D, that is Tamil Nadu. So in Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu has these two tiger reserves, Madhumalai and Annamalai Tiger Reserve, which received the Global Elite tag for the best conservation practices. Okay, so hope you got this video, and I hope that this video will be helpful to you all for your examination. So in the next class or in the next video, I'll be coming up with the next set, that is set D. Thank you.